In a faraway forest, under a great oak tree, stands a pastry shop offering goodies and tea. A lush green corner where the neighbors meet, forest folk some strange, but others quite neat. Beautiful fairies followed by elves, trolls, witches, and humans like ourselves. The sun is shining and no clouds painted gray. The cakes are delicious and baked every day. On a beautiful morning when our story starts, while folks were munching crisp cookies and tarts, a frightened dwarf, hopping on one leg, screamed and yelled, "I've found an egg!" The creatures stared at the dwarf quite dazzled. Why is their friend looking so frazzled? They smiled and asked him, making a joke, "Are you scared of the white or only the yolk?"